5 things you must never keep in the wealth corner. Is your wealth corner quietly draining your money? If you've tried manifesting abundance but nothing seems to stick, it might not be your effort, it's your environment. Today, I'll reveal the 5 silent money blockers people unknowingly keep in their wealth corner, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to remove to unlock prosperity. This is for anyone who feels stuck in a financial loop, working harder but not moving forward. Feng Shui shows us that certain items can literally push wealth away. Once you know them, it's impossible to unsee. Let's dive in. 1. Dead plants. They represent stuck, declining energy. If your money plant is dying, it's symbolically draining your wealth. Replace it with fresh, healthy greenery. 2. Broken items. Cracked vases, chipped decor, broken electronics. These signals indicate broken finances. Fix them or let them go. 3. Fire element, like candles or stoves. Wealth corner is the wood element. Fire burns wood, which means it burns your wealth energy. Move fire objects out. 4. Images of loneliness. A single bird, lone figures, or sad art here attracts isolation, not abundance. Instead, use images of growth, community, or abundance. 5. Work clutter. Files, bills, laptops in your wealth corner equals mental stress plus blocked prosperity. Clear it and let the chi flow. By removing these 5 silent money killers, you're not just cleaning clutter, you're opening a direct channel for money chi to flow. I've seen families go from constant cash crunch to unexpected income just by making these changes. And now I want to hear from you. What did you find in your wealth corner? Dead plants, broken items, or clutter? Comment below. Your home's energy depends on it.